Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Damilola. Okay, here I'm going to show you a quick review of this deep wave hair. Somebody once asked what it is. The hair is called deep wave. Deep wave. There is kinking curls. There are different kind of curls, but this is deep wave. And I'm sorry because I realized I didn't take I lost some footage. I didn't take the video of how this closure is being fixed and how the weft itself is being fixed on the cap. So trying to show you now that this closure has three parts. You can fit in part it either center, either side, anyhow it suits you, anyhow it suits your face, anyhow you like it. So this is the closure for now. If you are just subscribing for the first time or watching for the first time, kindly subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Now you can see that I've already fixed the weft here, and the treatment I'm spraying on this hair is my own natural treatment that I made together. It's not much, it's very little and something you can do yourself. It's actually water, leave-in conditioner, and argan oil. However, if you don't have argan oil, you can do with just your leave-in conditioner or water. It will still bring out the colors of this hair. It's water friendly. It's a water wave. I can call it water wave. And now it's time to do the closure. The plan is to straighten out the closure, not all, half of the closure, straighten it to an extent, and you will see the outcome at the end of it. It's and then As you can also see, I'm applying the treatment here to make it easy to comb through and also bring out the curls better and help to straighten quickly. And right now I'm about to straighten it, but however I'm supposed to use a comb, but I realized that I need to work with my hand because it makes it faster. It's already late here, as you can see, and my baby is showing some blessing. I need to hasten up and respond to him, and also this hair needs to be delivered the next day, so I had to rush. And I believe with my hand I'm quite faster than using comb. At the end of it, comb will do the finished job. But I believe you can see what you see here. My baby is helping out in the voice. So in analyzing this, I think it's better analyzer than I do. Oh my. Okay, this is what we are going to do all around to the hair. We straighten it all around out, and you see the outcome. And also, if you're just watching for the first time, watching this channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification button to receive a new update of videos. And if you kindly give it a like. Oh, okay, while doing this I realized that my light went off. The light of the video, not my light, I'm the light of the world. The light of the camera went off. However, it's going to come up soon. Sorry about that. And that's the end product of it. I believe you like what you see. Looking lovely to me, don't you think? If you think you have any suggestion, any correction, any contribution, we are open to it. Kindly leave your comment below at the comment box. However, be nice to your comments. You can correct in love, not abuse, not insult. So watch out to see more of this lovely picture video, right? Rather, and then you can see that after combing this hair out for several times for several minutes, the curls are still intact. And I bet you by the end of the day, when you bring it out later, you see the curls will have bounced back to the original state it was. And I believe you can testify to it by looking at this. This is really lovely, and I'm liking it. I wish this is my hair. I wish this is my hair, because I know it's going to suit me. Okay, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye for now. Hello, everyone.